वो लोग मुंह में सीटी भी है, वो लोग सीटी से कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं। और एक दोनों के मुंह में सीटी है, और सीटी की जो आवाज़ बारीक होती है लेकिन इन लोग की सुनने की ताकत ज़्यादा होती है।
वही सीटी की आवाज़ समझते हैं।
हाँ,
It's time for some matching with colors. We are going to show you how dolphin can create a masterpiece, a painting, and one of you is allowed to take the dolphin painting home. Let's find out who is getting the lucky one.
पेंटिंग करेंगे वो लोग, अनिला पेंटिंग करेंगे वो लोग।
More and more stars before rainbow. Hey,
वो देख,
what is Aisha doing? What's that? Light, wind, water. Oh, we are doing magic with water today. With all the skills and all the power together. His name is Flip, 12 years old, brother number 2. Wait, I'm confused now. Rainbow! Oh, dolphin rainbow! All the children give dolphins a big clapping for the rainbow! Yes. We talk about fun, we talk about excitement, we talk about family. Whenever we talk about dolphins, there are 42 species of dolphins living around the world. When shouting. When I'm talking to people about the painting of a dolphin, why is your dolphin name shouting?
अच्छा जो ट्रेन का वही आता भी है।
Nemo, what happened? When I'm talking to kids about the painting, Nemo, I like it. You tell everybody, do you like it? Is it good? Jamila?
खोल दे।
पता नहीं, मैं सुना नहीं।
Like it. Okay, come up and show everyone what you can do better with your brother and sister. Fidelia, what do you do?
पेंटिंग करेगा।
Secret. Hey, what do you think?
You say rainbow, rainbow is not blue.
No, it's a butterfly.
Butterfly.
What is it? Dragon? A heart? How come? It's a real heart dolphin. Now, one of you can take the lucky painting home. They say whenever you have the dolphin painting at your home, it always brings good wishes to you and your family.
वो आदमी ने किया।
This painting is lots of love, compassion together. Who wants to take the painting home? Show me hands up in the air. Okay, hands down. Now we can't give the painting to everybody, but we're going to give it to one person.
Right, yeah.
Now, listen to me. We're going to frame the painting. We will hold this painting for a small art auction. Mommy, Daddy, will raise your hand up. The higher one will take it home. All right. The auction of this painting will start only in a small amount, 50 dirhams, 50.